DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Yo, what's good, you gang? It's boy Jambisco back with a banger reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia, see what I do with you. Back in this bitch with another reaction. And today we got Kman, Dnd Voss, and Tman. This one is entitled Massacre. You know we're gonna check it out and see what I'm gonna deal with today on this track. But yeah, knowing Kman and Tman, we don't know, so this is gonna be a bloodbath. You see me? This is going like the song says, gonna be a massacre. They won't gonna be killing niggas, dissing niggas, disrespecting niggas, like niggas know what time it is. You see me? They don't know. I'm familiar with Kman and Tman, but I'm not very familiar with Dnd Voss. So I'm gonna leave it to you guys to put me on. So drop the comments in the comment section. Let me know about Dnd Voss, where you from, what side he on, who he repping, music he been dropping, all that stuff, and what you want me to react to from him. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Kman, Dnd Voss, and Tman came together and dropped the song Massacre, and I know it's gonna be a massacre. You know what I'm saying? Knowing these guys and their history, I know it's about to be a massacre for real. So let's go jump right now. Track without a hold up the vibe much longer. Let's see what I'm gonna deal with on the track. This is Kman, Dnd Voss, Tman, Massacre. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, Toby.
What me just say? See my starty boy, me caught up. I'm started. Hey, yo, it's gonna be a massacre again. Come on, let's get it.
Toby, where
I'm gonna be a basket boy. My friend, I'm making some chat to me now. I see me not lick a gunshot over and show you something. Go suck your mother.
Woo.
You have stuff.
Rifle fire and gun.
They about to start that shit, dog. Come on.
And I drive by, pussy get random.
Yeah, man.
Them ends we chat up, never random. Could the fast like Vandam. Love talk, we hype the nation. Try we and gone in a hibernation. Killer them, the rest them hype. Dead and gone, we don't like the million.
Hey, man, Kman gotta be the melody king of Trinidad, bro. Kman is the melody king of Trinidad. He's like the popcorn of Trinidad. But melodies them just crazy, bro. Come on.
Every one of them need for that. They got the fast like sprinter. Everybody get wet, they got the car with sprinkler. MD even bad like we index finger. Jacob.
Anybody need it? Yeah, they got fast like sprinter, bro. I want to hear, man, listen to Kman, bro. Come on.
Everybody get wet, they got the car with sprinkler. MD even bad like we index finger. Jacob on his head top.
Man say from people for dead. Everybody get wet, you can't call with sprinkler around here, nigga.
Them need for that. They got the fast like sprinter. Everybody get wet, they got the car with sprinkler. Them even bad like we index finger. Jacob on his head top, we aim for. Go for them pussy left, none remain back. Them a big rookie at top, we flame that left.
Jacob badness head top, we aim for. Go for them rookie there. Hey! Hey, come on.
Go for them pussy left, none remain back. Them a big rookie at top, we flame that left hole in the body with the biggest chamber. In the city with the coach, pull man, I really want to some pussy when me never you tell the veteran. Man, I'm a fucking learn nobody jump and burn up, kill them sick.
Kman, the only thing I'm disappointed is me no hear 6 rise hell. See, so that's the only thing. Wow, that's Kman's signature, bro. So far, bro, you chopping it.
Tell the veteran, man, I'm a fucking learn nobody jump and burn up, kill them sick. Head boss and gone up. Yeah, them love shoot innocent. Yeah, that hype we up, forget rid of them. But them afraid no fuck me man jail again. You know we love to target big belly like them.
Ooh, bro. The vibes, bro, the melody. Y'all hearing this shit? I know y'all hearing this shit, gang. The vibe. A bad man tune and man my vibe saying, come on.
They got the fast like sprinter. Everybody get wet, they got the car with sprinkler. Them even bad like we index finger. Jacob on his head top, we aim for. Go for them pussy left, none remain back. Them a big rookie at top, we flame that left.
Go for the pussy, them left. None remain back. I want to play, man. I want to play when you go everybody, bro. One move, you see me?
Hole in the body with the biggest chamber. Dabbing on my mind all day. Feeling some type of way. I've been getting high all day. Steady trying to find my place. Days not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you laugh.
Oh boy, man say, yo, tears not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you. Hey,
Days not gonna bring you back, cries not gonna make you laugh. God are the only boss, 6 are me only tax.
God are the only boss.
7 me a knock it down. Big body thing, 1 broke it off. In your
class. 7 me a knock it off. 7 me a knock it off. Why man let me 7 so much man? Boom, lad. 6, 8, and 9 I want right getting 7. Plot.
Big body thing, 1 broke it off. In your man. Link with this game plan. Spread it on the beat time. Cause them boys feel them later. 6 in the morning.
Cause them boy they feel them later. That's a Kman song man use as a card. Kman go for the you see because them boy feel them. Alright, come on.
And then we kill about 3. How much time it is the ups and them no answer back. How your body not real and full of tough chat. Can't step to the dark cause them a big cat. If you reach on my base you nah leave that. Only rifle binds best believe that. Couple on my
only rifle binds no best believe that in dog. Tree right there.
God beat your base dog. All the pine that a lodge in your head part. Shot a lodge in your head part. Me come fi kill me swim, me come fi take a little duppy. 32 in your face when my bossy fully. God damn I run them down and I'm a psycho bunny. Boss hard when me
get run down I'll deal I'm a psycho bunny. Boy you think I'm here the man one come here running breathless in this blood. Hey.
Pussy, them just a talk bad, me show them on nobody. I know hill figure dog when my bossy tell me.
Oh boy, all them boy they attack them on nobody. I know hill figure dog when me bossy Tommy. Come on.
We have to go because we never want me. Them have to stay in them zone because them are no belly. We make my link here, man, figo boss a jelly. And 89 love send boy a cemetery. Nico with the pan belly, figo boss me. Run up in the wrong track, it I go get bloody.
Say if you came mine for boss your jelly. Hey, my youth, and even hey, come on.
Nico with the pan belly, figo boss many. Run up in the wrong track, it I go get bloody.
Hey.
You told me.
So Kman is 6. Tman is 9. So I'm guessing DND is he 8 or what is he rapping? Let me know. You see me? I don't know. So Kman at 6, Tman at 9. So let me know if thing there is 8. You feel me? I know he's not 7 because they wouldn't be doing a track with him if he's 7. You know what I'm saying? But yeah man, bad tune man, bad tune. Kman, Tman and Dnd Voss, bro. See me, I'm not familiar with Dnd Voss, but Kman and Tman I am familiar with. Kman and Tman bad. You see me? Kman, Tman. I'll say Kman, Tman, and Kalanji is about to have the whole blood clean Trinidad lock. You see me? I say there's a couple of artists I think is coming as well. Like for instance, Youngstar 6, boy. You know what I'm saying? That's up there to a lot. But Kman, Tman, and Kalanji, they're definitely next up, bro. They're definitely next up. To run the place, you know what I'm saying? Real shit. Just like how Prince Wani and Byron and them get bigger and stuff. Yeah, I think Kman, Kalanji, and Tman is up next, bro. You see me? Boy too. Who else am I forgetting? Yeah man, I think Youngstar 6 is up. Who else? Yeah, a couple of artists, bro. You see me? I didn't even make a list of artists so I think I can go and bust or at least like the scene pretty soon. You see me? I say? Yeah man gang, but yeah man gang, let me know anything about the chat there. You see me, that's Kman, Dnd Voss and Tman. You see me, that was Massacre, real dope track. You already know what they do, bro. The niggas be smooth as hell on the track, just vibing. The bongs be there. You see me, rhythm be there, everything. You see me, I say so. Let me know what you think about that one gang. I don't know. Let me drop in the comments in the comment section. Yeah man, let me know if you like your show out to some of us. Also gang, make sure you say you can join the Discord. The link to Discord is in the description, so go ahead and check the description, join the Discord. Lid over there, you can send me videos directly, talk to me directly, we can chop it up, all that good stuff. Lid over there man, playing lives, all that good stuff man. So yeah man, join Discord, become part of the gang, become part of the Littest reaction channel on YouTube. Till next time gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.